Hi guys, welcome to the Success Guster YouTube channel. We generate videos related to OET. If you are interested in our online and offline classes, you can contact us. All the information is provided in the description box below.
Good morning. My name is Bibi Varghese. I am one of the registered nurses in this clinic. Can you please tell me what brings you here today?
Hello, nurse. I'm not all right. I'm diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, and my hands, wrists, feet are swollen. Pain is unbearable and it is hurting most of the time.
Okay, I am very sorry to hear that you are having rheumatoid arthritis. Can you please tell me how long have you had rheumatoid arthritis?
It's been 2 months now.
All right. Are you taking any medication for that?
Yes, I was taking medications, but today I am here to seek some advice regarding the change of medications as I'm not comfortable with the one I'm taking right now. I could see that there is
Mhm.
a rash which is itchy, and I
Mm.
wanted to seek some advice regarding changing the medications.
Okay, with your permission, let me assess your rashes.
Hmm. You can.
From my assessment, you developed the small rashes all over body.
Hmm.
So I think it is the small side effect of your rheumatoid medication. Mostly our patients are complaining these same rashes after taking the same medication.
Okay, so you mean to say that these rashes will come with the medications which I'm taking?
Yes, of course, Mr. Was. It came after the medication. It's a common side effect of the medication.
Okay, I understand now.
So
And how to get rid of this rash?
okay, I will tell you. There will be a no. First of all, there will be no permanent cure for rheumatoid arthritis. Okay,
Hmm.
so the rashes you develop, it is the I already discussed. It is the complication of medication you took. It will go gradually when once your body adjusted with this medication. It will take 1 month.
1 month.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, complete. Then only you will get rid of these rashes,
Okay.
and you can apply moisturizer in order to prevent further skin irritation and itching.
All right, I understand. So I have to use a moisturizer. This is what you are saying, right?
Yes, of course you have to use the moisturizer.
All right, thank you. And I'm really concerned about my ability to work. When can I join my work?
Okay, where are you working at now?
I'm working in a factory wherein I am into a physical job. I have to lift boxes from one place to another.
Okay, all right, Miss Was. And can are you doing any regular exercises?
Yes, I do a bit of exercises. Is it any problem with the exercises?
Let me explain to you, Mr. Was. You can work and you can do exercises, but not now. At this time, you told you have some pain in your joints. So
Mm-hmm.
that means you have developed some inflammation. So by this time, you need rest. After subside this inflammation, you can go for your regular walks and exercise.
Okay, so you mean to say that I can do exercise, but later once the pain gets subsided. All right, I
Yes.
understand. Thank you so much for your help.
Okay, one thing more I have to discuss the medication. You have to continue the medication as prescribed by the doctor. Never miss the doses and proper follow up also needed.
All right, thank you so much. I will do that. So kind of you. Thank you.
You are welcome. But let me summarize. Today we discuss about rheumatoid arthritis and the importance of medication and small side effect of the medication and also the importance of the rest.
All right. Thank you so much.
So I will. You are welcome. I'll bring a booklet which contains the detail of your condition, and I am here. You can contact me at any time.
All right.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You too. Thank you.
You are welcome.
All right. Thank you so much. It was a good role play. You
Mm,
completed the task response in the stipulated
mhm,
time. That was nice. Let's talk about
mm,
a few errors which you have made. All right.
mhm.
So, first thing
Okay.
is that you said the word rashes. That is not
Mm.
rashes. That is rashes. RASHES. Rashes.
Rashes.
Okay.
What I pronounce? Rashes?
Rashes.
Rashes. Rashes.
There is another word which you said developed, but it should
Mm.
be developed.
Develop. Develop.
It should be developed. Developed. Okay. Another word
Okay.
is body, which you pronounced as body.
What is the correct pronunciation? Body.
Body. Say it after me. Body.
Body.
No, body. Body.
Body.
All right. And you
Mm.
said a statement to the patient that there is no permanent cure. Why are you fearing him? I do not understand. Why did you say this? You do not have to say this, like in medical field, even if a person is going to die next minute, we never say it to the patient, correct?
Yes,
So do not
that
say
is
that there is
correct.
no permanent cure, because that patient is there for the cure. You know that there is no cure. Keep it with you. Do not tell to the patient. All right. And then there was a word complaining. You said it as complaining. Blaming. So there is no B there. If I talk about the spelling, that is
Complaining. Complaining.
COMPLAINING. Complaining.
Complaining.
Right?
Mm.
Say this word after me. Complaining.
Complaining.
Yes. And after that, you said it came. It came with these medications, something like that. Okay. So you should have said
Mm.
it comes, right?
It
These are the
comes.
side effects, or this is the side effect. It comes with the use of this kind of medication, something like this.
Mm.
Okay. And
Mhm.
if I talk about another mistake, that was Mr. Watts is the name, but the last name was not clear. Whenever you were saying the name of the patient, it was not audible enough. Maybe you were eating out that word. So be clear with the name, Mr. Watts. Okay.
Mr. What?
Watts. And again,
What?
one more word was there, that is REST. How we pronounce this word?
Rest.
It is rest. But while doing this conversation, you were saying it as rust. Okay.
Rest.
Rest.
The
Yes.
rest. Rest. Rest.
And there was a statement wherein you said after subside. It should not be after subside. It should be
Mhm.
after it gets subsided.
Subsided.
Right? I did not write the
Subs-
complete sentence, but yes, there was an error when it comes to subside. Either it should be subsiding as per the statement which you used in that role play, or after it gets subsided. All right. At
Very
the
good.
end, when
Very
everything was going very good, before
good.
summarizing, you used word but. I do not understand. Why did you use but? Straight away start with let me summarize. But you used but before that.
You.
And when you were telling about things in summarization, you use the word and, all right? And at the end,
Mm.
which contain, you said this again like there was a fumble. You said contain word again. You should say
Mm.
it contains. It
Contains.
contains. All right. And
Mm-hmm.
The patient said about rash, but you ended up saying rashes, that too all over the body. So the wrong info was given after the assessment. If your patient is talking about rash, you just talk about rash. Do not say, I could see that there are so many rashes all over the body. Because your role play card is not talking about rashes all over the body. Correct? And you said about 1 month, that it will take 1 month to subside this rash. So ideally give a smaller time period to the patient because the patient is concerned about this particular rash. Say it will take a day or so, a week or so. You stretch a lot when it comes to alphabet R. For example, the word further. It is further. It is not further. So you say it in a different way. And the word follow up. It is follow up, not follow up. At the end, you said today we discuss about. It should be we discussed about because you are done with that, correct? You address the patient as Miss. It should have been Mr., right? By this time, you need rest. It should be at this time, you need rest.
and the word which you have mispronounced, it was not just once because these words came time and again. So the number of pronunciation errors you made while doing the role play was more. Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Pronunciation
yes, I got it.
being the parameter of the evaluation for getting B grade in speaking, we have to make
Mm-hmm.
sure that we are not mispronouncing any word in the role play. We are human beings. When we are getting into a particular conversation, we may end
Yes.
doing a few grammar errors,
Time.
or we may mispronounce a few words. But what important is, at least do not mispronounce a few basic words which you have to use in each and every role play. All right.
Right.
Overall, I would say that it was a very good role play, keeping out these mistakes which you have made. I'm sure that you will learn from your mistakes, and in the next session you are not going to repeat these mistakes, right?
Okay.
All right, then we will see you in the next session. You please take care of yourself.
Oh,
Bye bye.
okay. Thank you. Bye bye, sir.
Thank you for watching the video. For more information, you can contact us at 9717020196 or visit our website at www.thesuccessgusto.in.